Hi there, my name's Sandy, I'm from Spiral Crafts and Workshops, and today we're talking about keeping you protected while you're doing your wire art. Now I've got more videos coming up, so if you want to see those and be notified, click on subscribe down below and the little bell next to it so you get a notification. Give us a like if you like this video, and if you've got any videos that you want to see, leave us a comment down below and we'll get on to it. Right then, let's keep you protected while you're working with 3 top tips. Wearing canvas, yeah, it's kind of necessary. I've got a canvas apron that I wear. It's quite old and worn, with little teddy bears on it. But this actually goes a long way to protecting me while I'm doing my wire art. You need a canvas sort of surface for the wire so it doesn't actually hook into it and you end up all entangled in your sculpture. Now I have done that before. I do wear knitted jumpers on occasions when I'm doing my sculpture, and I've regretted it because, especially with the chicken wire, because it gets entangled in everything, it hooks in, and then it just pulls the jumper and the threads and everything, and you don't really want it. So I would recommend, if you're doing wire art, particularly with chicken wire, get something canvas on your top and on your legs, because if you drop anything then you'll find it will catch on your trousers as well. So do it both on your top and your bottom. Wear a canvas apron if you can, just to give you an extra layer of protection, and you'll be fine. So that's your canvas that you need to wear. Let's go on to tip 2. Tip 2, it probably is one of the most important things, but you're not going to like it, I know. So, safety goggles. I know, yep, look, see, you look silly. And yes, you're going to look silly, and it's the way it is. Get a nice pair of safety glasses, not these big huge things like me. If you want to, that's absolutely fine. There are more aesthetically pleasing ones available. I have to wear mine over the top of my glasses, so it's essential. But the wire does tend to either when you're cutting it, it tends to ping off, or when you're working on one end of the wire, you kind of forget that there's the other end just a little bit further away from you, and you'll rotate your sculpture and the other top bit will come and smack you in the face. Trust me, it happens. Yes, it does, and I've had it happen, and I was really grateful I was wearing something protective over my eyes to not damage myself in the process. So keep yourself protected, keep doing your wire art without any damage to yourself, and wear safety goggles. Okay? Right. That's the end of tip 2, let's go on to tip 3. Gloves, absolutely essential. If you want to save your hands, and I've had quite a few cuts in my time, trust me, even with gloves on, you need a set of gloves on your hands, preferably like these, very warm ones, with a leather palm on the front. Okay, not so much with aluminium and copper, fair enough, you can get away with it without those. Without wearing gloves for those, but if you're doing chicken wire and galvanised steel, I do recommend that you wear a pair of gloves. It saves on the wear and tear on the pads of your fingers as well, because some of the wires with steel can be very hard wearing on your fingers, and you do feel it afterwards. So protect your hands, don't bleed everywhere, get a pair of gloves and make sure they've got a leather palm. And preferably, I must admit, I would rather have these days a leather on the back as well, because the backs of my hands have been slightly shredded by chicken wire because I've only got a fabric on the back. So, gloves, protect your hands. So, there you have it. Protect your clothes, don't get any pulls in your jumpers. Protect your eyes so you don't get any damage to your eyes, and protect your hands. That's it for this video. I'll be back with another tips video shortly, so if you want to hear about that one, subscribe below, give us a like if you like us, and leave us a comment if there's anything you want to see. Take care.